Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can basically uh, unpair your Anker Soundcore K20i earbuds from your Android device or your iOS device. So I'm going to show you on my Android device right now. So let's go ahead and open Bluetooth settings on my Android device. Just give me a bit. There we go. Okay. So now we're at the Bluetooth devices section. So first thing is that we're going to locate our device name, which is Soundcore K20i. So you're gonna want to press this arrow right here, and it's going to give you a bunch of options, but you're just gonna go to this unpair option, okay? And that will basically remove this from the list of devices, and then whenever you want to reconnect your device, you will be able to do that. So there are a bunch of reasons why people would choose to unpair. It could be to maybe just reset it from your phone, for example, like maybe it's causing issues, maybe it's glitching. So you want to reset the connection from your phone to your earbuds. So you would unpair it and then pair it again, hopefully to solve the issue. So for that reason, you might want to do that. Or let's say you want to connect this to another device, but it keeps connecting to this. For example, I want to connect it to my laptop, but my Bluetooth is on my mobile device and also my laptop, but it keeps connecting to my phone. So the only way to fix that would be to unpair this from here so that it doesn't automatically connect to my phone and connects to my laptop instead. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click unpair. There we go. Now we're no longer seeing it in the Bluetooth devices section. We're seeing it in the available devices. Okay, so if we want to do that, if you want to connect it again, we can just do it from here. That's all. Take care. Bye bye.